guys, when you see Real Housewives, right? And then they go to this ultimate girls trip in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. You're just like, oh my gosh, Mali. You understand? Well, look, they were paid 60,000 rands, guys. I'm just like, no. For instance, to Christelle, Tabango deserve 60,000. This is the second time. That's 120,000 in 2 years that she got for that. Because they brought her again so that she can add some spices. Drama in any case, and abantu behlezi bephezu kwakhe. You saw how the Nigerian housewives were on top of it. It's like, hey, sissy, oh, uyasichaza, bemtresha, bemdonsa le in Rio de Janeiro. That is thing 60,000, guys. Hayi usho risho udlo 60,000 a day. Ngeke asazalunga usho risho laphana. I'm sure that's why vele bengambizi. I'm just like, it's just never been called for the ultimate girls trip. You know? But this is not the first time. Angifuni ngibala amagama abantu ukuthi which channel, which ba ensi niyazi ukuthi kuphi i-Real Housewives i-Ultimate Girls Trip Africa. And on top of that, you remember there was a rumor futhi yokuthi Real Housewives ahola 3,000 rands bona a month, not even per episode, a month. It went down the rumor, especially the Real Housewives of Durban go 2024. The rumor came out to 2023, 2024. It came out again in 2024 for they don't get paid that much, you know. I was like 3,000 rands, guys. Kona sekuthiwa low mali mose iphelele makeup in. It's like just my makeup ngafiki nokufika kwi Real Housewives and show my house and do trips with them and all of that, you know. So which means basically when you go to Rio de Janeiro, you're like, okay, I've never been to Brazil. Let me just go. This 60,000 and I'll just buy myself stuff there. Also, I don't know when they get paid. Do they get paid when they come back? Do they get paid some deposits of 30,000 or some 15,000 rands? Yeah, you understand? I'm just like, this is not even exploitation, guys. This is just beyond me. How can you? Udlala ngabantwana babantu kanje. Hayi badlalile shumke igazi abantu. Hayi badlalile ngaso. Yes. So, CC, they've shown some desperation around the 60,000 story that's going around now. This is how much they were paid to go to Brazil. Okay, guys, this is not even exploitation. 60,000 rands, guys. I must smile no mangasafuni for you as a TV show. I must promote, I must have interviews with other people, with other TV shows. I must go to restaurants there in Rio de Janeiro. I'm sure we show coca in a TV show. But guys, angisathandi ukwenza anything for 60,000 rands. I'm sure bavele bawuspend vele Rio de Janeiro. Like I'm saying, you don't even know ukuthi do they pay before some of it or some will be paid when they come back. Like uvele feeling just sengathi like awangeke baze badlala ngey'ngane zabantu. Let's just take it ukuthi it was just nje ukuthi I wanted to see Brazil. Ukubona leyo nto leyo. Okay guys, thank you so much for always watching this channel. Ngithanda over.